What's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to start a YouTube live stream in a few minutes without any complex setup or software like OBS. Everything you need is your computer with microphone and webcam and Wave.video free account. Wave.video provides you with the streaming studio right in your browser with some extra features like video editor and stock library. If you stream in webinars, live shows and podcasts, Wave.video has all the features you need and can be set up in under 2 minutes. So let's get started. Once you create free Wave.video account, go to My Streams and Recordings section and hit Setup Live Stream. The first thing to do is to fill the title and description of your live stream. They will be displayed on the YouTube channel you'll be streaming. Also, you can upload your thumbnail, otherwise it will be a standard image by Wave.video. You can start broadcasting right away or schedule it for later. Thus, your subscribers will be notified about your live stream. It's a great way to increase your viewership and engagement. Once everything is configured, click Setup Destinations, and here you can add your YouTube channel. Click Add Destinations and choose YouTube. Sign into your Google account and give all necessary permissions. Select your YouTube destination and hit Create Live Stream. Now your live stream is created. Let's open a studio to configure your stream and start broadcasting. And here you can set up your microphone, camera, and check that they are working fine. When you first enter your broadcast studio, you won't be in the stream. You need to add yourself in, and you can do so by clicking Show on Stream here on the bottom left. If you want to add guests, press invite and send this link to your guests. Once they join the studio, they will appear in the feed down below, and you need to add them in the same way. You can also change the arrangement of how people appear on the stream using the layout presets on the right. The same goes for screen shares and slides. Press the share button and choose screen share to add your screen to the stream. If you want to add a presentation, click Slides and upload the presentation from your computer or Google Slides. You can freely move and resize all your cameras, guests and other elements on the screen, creating your own layout. Add some background, overlays, anything you need using the menu on the right. What is more, you can create more scenes with different layouts and freely switch between them. Use the menu on the left and press plus button to add a new scene and customize it to your liking. Another important feature is live chat. As people are chatting during your live stream, these comments will pop up in the studio in the chat. You can display them on your stream by clicking the comment like this for better interaction and engagement with the audience. Also, you can add most interesting ones to the favorites to highlight them later. If you want to display some important message, use Captions. What you can do is create custom banners with call to actions, your social media links or key points of your conversation. And it all will be displayed like you see in the screen. When everything is set up, you're ready to stream on YouTube. All you need to do is to click Go Live on the top right. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. And don't forget to check Wave.video Streaming Studio for free through the link in the description.